As anglers, outdoor enthusiasts, and conservationists, the greatest gift we can live to our children and our grandchildren is the opportunity to experience the fisheries as we experience them today.
Yamaha has fought to protect our waterways and our way of life as anglers for many years, often quietly in the background. In 2019, they created the Yamaha Rightwaters Sustainability Program. Yamaha Rightwaters has 4 areas of focus: clean water, fighting the spread of invasive species, habitat restoration, and the support of scientific research. It does this through partnerships with many organizations. Here in Texas, through the Houston-based Coastal Conservation Association and the Harte Research Institute at Texas A&M. These efforts happen throughout the year, but at the Bassmasters Classic, Yamaha Rightwaters brings its message and a big announcement to the bass community.
Rightwaters is proud to announce its new sponsorship of the Ducks Unlimited Gulf Coast Initiative. This is a multi-year restoration project dedicated to rebuilding wetlands due to the loss of erosion and ocean rise right here in Texas.
Yamaha Rightwaters and Ducks Unlimited will work in the Moreau Foundation Terrace Project in Louisiana and the Sergeant March Shoreline Project in coastal Texas. Both projects are designed to restore habitats, but there are other benefits. These projects will serve to improve water quality, promote the growth of submerged aquatic vegetation, buffer storm surge, decrease erosion, and provide sustainable recreational and commercial fishing opportunities for the public.
Stand by for more on this historic announcement.